Hey guys, today we are back into some more Minecraft, and I am with my friend Icy, or her name is Milky Way, is her nickname she wants to call. I'm going to bed. Arrivederci. No, we're not doing time set. No, that's cheating. We're not doing time set. We're not doing time set. Okay, and just a question. That beetroot farm used to be a wheat farm. Where on earth did you get beetroot seeds? Oh, keys. I'm gonna take off my Frostwalker boots to get near the farm. Yeah, we have a couple stone. Wait, why is none of my stuff like? Oh, there we go. Now finally, lots of my stuff is taking damage. Okay. I don't want to go to the Nether anymore. Let's destroy this. Let's destroy the portal. The Nether portal is dangerous anyway. A pigman once came out of it. Because a pigman once came out of this thing. Yeah. And let me collect all the obsidian, okay? Let me collect it all. Then give me it. No. I take the dolls. Hey, have you ever watched the movie? Okay, no, wait. We should have gotten us diamond hose. Okay, then I will make myself a diamond hoe. Cause when I got into creative mode, I may have gotten extra diamonds. Hee I may have gotten extra diamonds. What? Okay, hold on. No, hold on. Okay, what? Okay, I'm grabbing all of these. You never put unbreaking on any of my stuff. And don't you have unbreaking? No, but it breaks less faster. You never put mending on my sword. You never put mending on my sword. I'm just going to enchant all my stuff with unbreaking. Okay. Enchant. What? Oh, okay. Well, I guess I can't. Wait, how did I get mending? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put mending on my sword. Oh no! No! I don't have enough enchant. I need to go kill something. I need more XP. I need more XP. Oh, and I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Huh? Where did you get this? Where did you get that? Really, girl? Then take yourself out of creative. Take yourself out of creative. Wait, I still don't have enough enchantments. Yeah, and I'm trying. I'm trying to put unbreaking on my sword. Oh, mending. I still don't have enough XP. Okay, and get away from me so that I'm the only one who can collect the XP. Like get away, like get out, go out of the house. Like this is our enchanting room. Yeah, so like only one of us is allowed to be in here so that we can collect the XP. Okay, please say I have enough now. I still don't have enough. Okay, go back into creative and get us all a bunch of bottle enchantings. Like just get us a lot of bottle enchantings. Cause yeah, cause I'm. Oh, my inventory is full. Hold on. No, I still have my mending. I still have the mending. Okay, now I'm going to collect the bottle enchantings. Okay. I'll wait for you to come out of the enchanting room. Still, I'm just going to wait for you to get out of the enchanting room so I can enchant. And hopefully get enough XP levels. No, we already agreed. That's our enchanting room. We already agreed. And I know the gold base. What are you, what are you doing? Okay, fine. Okay. Bow. Yes, I could finally put mending on my sword. I'm just gonna throw out the rest of my bottle enchantings so that I can just really collect the XP for anything. Really, you're cheating by setting the time. You're cheating. Okay, now I have like enough enchanting for anything. Wait, do you have thorns? Oh yeah, so basically, oh I forgot. So basically the damage gets dealt back to me. I'm fine with that. You're still on fire. Okay, fine. Did you just slam the door in my face? Okay, it's time to say goodbye to the fan. It's time to say goodbye. I need to end the video. So, okay, bye pandas. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was very fun. We enchanted right in the intro, right in the outro. Are you kidding me? Okay. Bye pandas. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was very interesting.